So let's see if we can win again, or we were just lucky last time. I love this attack already. He's not wasting any time. He's just going for a throat, right? So what do we do in this case? We fear nothing, or we just develop our pieces. We don't care if he takes here, because we're gonna take with this pawn and we're gonna have strong center. So instead we should maybe just develop our bishop here, pre-move this just in case. Okay, this is also move that is maybe not wasting that time, because maybe he wants to go with the bishop here, preserve that bishop if I chase him like this. Okay, let's castle. So in this kind of situation, if your opponent is trying to attack you right away, just don't rush, don't miss checkmate or something on f7. Okay, so here I want to develop this bishop, but if I go here, he's gonna take. So maybe I want to go here, or even this move, so I can push this. I guess it makes sense. So you always want to develop all of your pieces, don't just. So here just develop, I guess, protect and get this bishop out. Maybe I want my bishop to go here, I'm not sure. So my opponent's mistakes so far were just he got his queen too early, and yeah, that's pretty much it, I guess. So here okay, let's take. I guess let's go back with the knight. He's attacking this again. So now I can develop with the tempo, or I have something better, I'm not sure. So this is the threat. Always look what your opponent is doing, what he is trying to do. And he should have developed the bishop instead of just moving queen countless times. Okay, now maybe I just should develop my rook on a semi-open file to put a pressure here, and with the bishop maybe just go back here and tag this pawn. That seems reasonable. Seems reasonable. My English is not perfect, but it's not bad either. So I think I have semi threat to go here and attack this pawn twice. So here maybe just develop another piece. Seems reasonable. So you see all my pieces are developed and he has this undeveloped piece, but it is not so bad, he can develop it quickly. And this is balanced game, I would say. White played this not so bad. Now he has to protect this pawn. I'm a little bit better because I guess I have initiative. Okay, this move I'm not sure what it does. Maybe he's trying to go here or maybe here. But I'm probably gonna take here, so let's see. Okay. Let me collect some pawns. Okay, I was guessing that he's gonna do that. So here I have an option getting this pawn, but he can play this and take this pawn. So maybe I want to play this first. So this is nothing, this move is nothing, I mean, it's good, but he can take and I take here and then that's it. So let me just do this and threaten to take this pawn. I'm gonna pre-move this. Okay, he protects that. Okay. This knight is not really active, he's putting a pressure here, but maybe I can activate it like this. And attack this pawn here. And also threaten to go here to fork rooks. I mean, he can play this, go back. Okay, he's attacking this. I think I just chase him. Oh no, I just take this knight. So that's a common mistake, to forget that knights are protecting each other and you jump with one knight somewhere and forget. Okay, I think I'm winning the knight here, right? Because he cannot go back. So yeah, from now on, everything is falling apart. This is pretty easily winning now. But you see, you just be patient, and your opponent is probably gonna make some mistakes. Okay, that was a good move. Your opponent is gonna make a mistake. And yeah, you don't have to go for a crazy attack, you just play solid. Of course, sometimes you wanna go for an attack, but I guess most of the time you just play logical chess, and then on this level your opponent is going to make a mistake. On a higher level, of course, these kind of simple mistakes are rare, but even on that level it happens that they miss some kind of tactical thing. So he's chasing around a little bit. Let me go back, I don't know, here maybe. So here I just wanna exchange pieces as usual. Maybe make a passed pawn and push it. Maybe catch more pawns. Put my rooks on the 7th rank. Now I'm threatening this. Protect my pieces also. Don't allow any counterplay. And also I'm kind of low on a clock, so I should be careful about that too. We can play this. Yeah. But let me attack him a little bit. Tickle him, like they like to say. So bear in mind that he's attacking it's protected. It's okay, but he's maybe threatening something like this. Always be aware of those kind of threats. If he goes here, I'm gonna be happy. I'm gonna just take that rook. Okay, I'm pretty happy. Or am I? He's attacking this one. Maybe just move it and then proceed with my plan. Why hurry when you can be chill? Okay, sensible move, I guess. Let me give it one check. Go here and attack this. Okay, makes sense. Attacking this and this. You can go here, but that just helps me because I'm trading more pieces. And also after this I'm gonna take this pawn. Okay. Why not take this pawn? Maybe double rooks. Okay, he's attacking my defender. That's good. Maybe I made a mistake, but probably not. Now I'm threatening checkmate. But he can, no. He cannot take that because that doesn't work. If he takes here, checkmate, of course. Okay, that's it. Thanks for playing. If he goes more than okay. Okay, let's analyze a little bit this game real quick. Maybe point out some mistakes that he made. Okay, this is kind of not usual move, but okay, it doesn't matter a lot. Getting his queen out too early. This was fine. This was all fine, I guess. Oh, computing saying d5. d5 was better again. But okay. So far so good. I don't like this move, moving queen twice. Better was probably this move or this move, I don't know. Okay. This is not good, dropping the pawn. So this is my inaccuracy. The better is to take here. Okay. Doesn't really matter that much. So this is a mistake of a game. Forgetting that knight are protecting each other. And the rest, I would say, was just a matter of technique. I hope you enjoyed this game. Like or subscribe or both, and see you in the next video.